In the rapidly evolving world of e-commerce, Shopify dropshipping has emerged as one of the most conversion-effective business models for online sellers. Unlike traditional retail or complex supply chain businesses, Shopify dropshipping allows entrepreneurs to sell products without holding inventory, managing warehouses, or handling shipping logistics directly. Despite its simplicity, the model demonstrates consistently strong conversion rates when executed correctly. The question that arises is not merely whether Shopify dropshipping converts, but why it does so, and more importantly, how entrepreneurs can intentionally design their stores and strategies to maximize conversions. Conversion rate optimization is the difference between a failing store and a profitable one. Traffic alone does not guarantee success. Only effective conversion does. This analysis explores the structural, psychological, technological, and strategic reasons why Shopify dropshipping performs well in terms of conversions. It also provides a detailed breakdown of the systems, tools, and best practices required to replicate and sustain high conversion performance. Conversion, in e-commerce terms, refers to the percentage of visitors who complete a desired action, most commonly making a purchase. In Shopify dropshipping, conversions are influenced by a combination of user experience, trust signals, product relevance, pricing psychology, marketing alignment, and checkout simplicity. Shopify dropshipping benefits from a unique convergence of platform design, consumer behavior trends, and scalable marketing infrastructure. When these elements are aligned correctly, even new stores with modest traffic can achieve strong conversion rates. Shopify is inherently optimized for selling. Unlike general website builders, Shopify was designed from the ground up as a commerce platform. Its themes, checkout flow, cart structure, and backend systems are engineered to reduce friction at every stage of the buyer journey. Shopify's checkout is one of the highest converting checkouts in the e-commerce industry. Features such as accelerated payment options, automatic address completion, and mobile-optimized design remove obstacles that typically cause cart abandonment. This structural advantage alone gives Shopify dropshipping stores a higher baseline conversion rate compared to many other platforms. A significant portion of dropshipping traffic comes from mobile devices, particularly through social media, advertising. Shopify themes are fully responsive, ensuring that product pages, images, and checkout experiences function seamlessly across devices. Mobile optimization is not a cosmetic feature, it directly impacts conversion rates. Slow loading pages, misaligned buttons, or difficult navigation dramatically reduce the likelihood of purchase. Shopify's mobile-first infrastructure supports high conversion performance by design. One of the most important reasons Shopify dropshipping converts well is its alignment with impulse buying psychology. Many dropshipping products are designed to solve a specific problem, trigger curiosity, or offer a novelty factor. These characteristics encourage spontaneous purchasing decisions. Impulse purchases rely on emotional triggers rather than logical comparison shopping. Shopify dropshipping stores are often structured to capitalize on these triggers through compelling visuals, persuasive copy, and time-sensitive offers. Unlike traditional e-commerce stores that offer thousands of products, successful Shopify dropshipping stores often focus on a narrow product selection or even a single product. This reduction in choice minimizes decision fatigue. When customers are not overwhelmed by options, they are more likely to complete a purchase. Clear product positioning and focused Messaging increase confidence and speed up decision-making, directly improving conversion rates. Trust is a critical factor in online purchasing decisions. Shopify, dropshipping stores that convert well, strategically integrate trust. Signals such as customer reviews, testimonials, secure payment, icons, and professional branding. Social proof reduces perceived risk. When customers see evidence that others have purchased and benefited from a product, their hesitation decreases. Shopify's app ecosystem makes it easy to integrate reviews, live sales notifications, and user-generated content that reinforce trust. Products that address a clear, specific problem convert better than generic items. Shopify dropshipping thrives on this principle. Whether it is a household convenience product, a personal care solution, or a lifestyle enhancement item, problem-solving products immediately communicate value. When customers instantly recognize how a product improves their life, the likelihood of conversion increases dramatically. Effective product selection reduces the need for extensive persuasion. In addition to practical solutions, emotional and aspirational products also perform exceptionally well in Shopify dropshipping. These products appeal to identity, status, or personal expression. Shopify stores that tell a compelling story around their products, connecting them to a desired lifestyle or emotional outcome, create stronger buyer motivation and higher conversion rates. One of the key reasons Shopify dropshipping converts well is the ability to align marketing precisely with product offerings. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Google allow advertisers to target users based on interests, behaviors, and demographics. When traffic is highly relevant, conversion rates naturally increase. Shopify dropshipping stores can test and refine ad targeting quickly, ensuring that products are shown to users most likely to buy. Conversion rates improve significantly when there is message continuity between advertisements and product pages. Successful Shopify dropshipping stores ensure that the promise made in the ad is immediately fulfilled on the landing page. Consistent visuals, messaging, and tone reduce cognitive dissonance and build trust. When users feel that they have arrived at the right place, they are more inclined to complete a purchase. High-converting Shopify dropshipping stores prioritize clarity over complexity. Product pages are designed to guide users through a logical flow. Problem identification, solution, presentation, benefit explanation, social proof, and call to action. Distractions such as unnecessary menus, pop-ups, or unrelated products are minimized. This focused approach keeps attention on the purchasing decision. Visual content plays a major role in conversion optimization. High-quality images and demonstration videos allow customers to understand the product quickly and confidently. Shopify's support for multimedia content enables sellers to showcase products in real-world scenarios, reducing uncertainty and increasing perceived value. Contrary to common belief, the lowest price does not always produce the highest conversion rate. Shopify dropshipping stores that convert well focus on perceived value rather than price alone. Shopify dropshipping converts well because it aligns platform efficiency, consumer psychology, targeted marketing, and streamlined user experience into a powerful sales ecosystem. The platform removes technical barriers, while the dropshipping model allows entrepreneurs to focus on marketing, branding, and optimization. However, high conversion rates are not automatic. They are the result of intentional design, strategic product selection, ethical marketing, and continuous optimization. Those who understand why Shopify dropshipping converts and apply the principles correctly can build scalable, profitable e-commerce businesses.